Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled problem. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So when you try to log in and you are displayed an error like this, it's because of too many unsuccessful attempts, or sometimes the Snapchat app usually wants you to take some time off. So the first thing you could do is wait and try again in a few moments. But if this doesn't solve your problem, then open up your Snapchat application and you can see I'm currently logged in, but I'll try to log in with my new account. If you don't remember the password, you can just select forgot password and Snapchat will send a verification code on either of these two, so you can reset your password. If you can't log in, just go over to the preferred browser and search if Snapchat servers are down or not. You can see that the servers are live and there's no problem with them. The last thing you can do is just go to your Google Play Store, update your app to its latest version available, and most probably your problem will be fixed. And this is basically how you can fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled problem. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.